Welcome to our comprehensive guide about understanding tax property. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or an experienced investor, having a solid understanding of property taxes is crucial. By the end of this guide, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and information you need to confidently navigate the property tax landscape. Let's begin our journey by first understanding what property tax is. Property tax is a tax imposed on real estate by the local government. The revenue collected from property taxes is used to fund local services such as schools, police and fire departments, public libraries, community infrastructure, and more. Unlike sales tax, which is a one-time event when a property is sold, property tax is an ongoing expense for property owners. The quantity of property tax a property owner pays is based on the assessed value of the property. It's important to note that property taxes vary widely depending on the location of the property. So, how is the value of your property assessed? Property valuation is done by the local government's assessor's office. They use a variety of tools and data, including market conditions and the characteristics of your property, to arrive at an assessed value. This value, in turn, is used to calculate your property tax. There may be times when you think your property has been overvalued by the assessor's office. In such cases, most jurisdictions have a process for appealing the assessment. This involves providing evidence to support your claim and appearing before an appeals board. Keep in mind that the processes and deadlines for assessment appeals may vary by location. Property taxes play a significant role in the realm of homeownership. It's important for prospective homebuyers to consider property taxes when deciding where to buy a home, as property taxes can differ dramatically between neighboring towns or cities. Being aware of these differences can lead to substantial long-term savings. In addition to property taxes, there are other types of taxes that homeowners may be subject to. An example of this is a property transfer tax, which is levied when property ownership is transferred from one party to another. This is a cost to keep in mind when buying or selling property. One common source of confusion for homeowners is understanding the tax rate. The tax rate is often expressed in terms of millage, which is the amount of tax per dollar of the assessed value of the property. 1 mil represents a tax per 1,000th of a dollar, or $1 per $1,000 of assessed value. Furthermore, property taxes can change over time. One factor that can lead to these changes is property revaluation. This is a process used to make sure that all properties are being taxed fairly and based on their current market value. Revaluations can occur periodically, such as every 3 to 5 years, depending on the jurisdiction's rules. To make the most of your homeownership experience, it's important to stay informed about the tax regulations in your area. Local municipalities typically publish property tax information, and homeowners can access it online. Being proactive about monitoring this information is a good practice. For homeowners who pay their property taxes directly to a lender, typically as part of their monthly mortgage payment, it's essential to remember that even though the lender takes care of the payment, it is the homeowner's responsibility to understand the tax bill, review it for accuracy, and save it for potential tax deductibles. On the matter of tax deductions, homeowners may be eligible to deduct their property taxes when calculating their federal income tax, potentially resulting in an income tax saving. Consult with a tax professional or use reputable tax software to see if you qualify for this deduction. Additionally, property taxes are essential considerations when making long-term financial plans. As a homeowner, it's important to include property tax payments in your ongoing budgeting process and plan for the potential of increased taxes due to factors such as property revaluation or local tax policy changes. Now, let's touch upon the topic of property tax liens. A property tax lien represents an unpaid property tax bill. If these bills are left unpaid, the local government can place a tax lien on the property, giving the government the authority to take the property in a tax foreclosure sale. Generally speaking, property tax liens are given a priority compared to other liens, including mortgage liens. Being aware of the potential for property tax liens and their implications is vital for homeowners to avoid facing legal and financial troubles. Lastly, we'd like to emphasize the role that professionals can play in helping with property tax matters. Real estate agents, appraisers, attorneys, and tax professionals can provide valuable services such as guiding appeal processes, offering tax planning advice, and ensuring compliance with tax-related obligations. The property tax landscape can be complex, but with the right knowledge and preparation, homeowners and homebuyers can navigate it successfully. We encourage you to continue learning about property taxes, stay informed about tax-related regulations in your area, and, if needed, seek guidance from experienced professionals. Thank you for tuning into our comprehensive guide on understanding tax property. We hope the information provided here has been helpful in demystifying the world of property taxes. Remember, with clarity and confidence, tackling property taxes can become an integrated part of your homeownership journey. As we conclude, remember, being informed and proactive about property taxes can provide lasting financial benefits. From understanding tax rates to appealing tax assessments, there are numerous ways to take control of this significant homeownership cost. So, keep your commitment to continue learning and growing in this area. At the end, we hope that we aid in the process of strengthening your knowledge base and boosting your confidence about navigating the intricacies of property tax. As homeowners, being proactive and informed about property taxes, their implications, and your obligations can give you a sense of empowerment and control. We're thrilled to play a part in helping to build your understanding of property taxes. Whether you're a potential home buyer, a new homeowner, or an experienced property owner, this guide is designed to provide valuable insights and information that you can utilize as you navigate your real estate journey. It's a vast and complex landscape, but with the right resources and a commitment to continuous learning, you will surely navigate it to success. Thank you, and be sure to check back with us as we continuously provide you with important information and guides that would keep you informed and empowered. Property taxes are a critical part of the homeownership experience, and they can be complex. With the information provided in this video, our hope is to make the landscape of property taxes more transparent and understandable, thereby empowering homeowners to make informed decisions that affect their wallet and their home. As the saying goes, knowledge is power, and we believe that understanding property taxes better can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. If you are a homeowner or considering purchasing a home, we hope that this guide arms you with the knowledge to make informed decisions related to your property tax. Moving forward, let's continue to demystify the complexities of property taxes. Let's take control over this necessary evil, better understand our obligations as homeowners, and plan for a smart and sustainable financial future. In our pursuit of a financially secure future, we must remain vigilant and informed about our property taxes, essentially owning and mastering this ongoing expense rather than allowing it to own and master us. As a result, we can benefit from both today and in the long term, saving on unnecessary expenses, managing our finances and avoiding any unforeseen tax-related issues. As we bid you adieu, we end with a well-meaning reminder to stay informed about your property tax obligations. Whether you're buying, selling, or simply owning a property, understanding property taxes is of the utmost importance. Inform yourself, consult the appropriate professionals, and take control of your position pertaining to property taxes. In conclusion, while property taxes may represent an ongoing expense, their understanding and management can lead to significant long-term advantages, to the tune of healthy savings and a sustainable financial plan. Thank you for joining us as we demystified the world of property taxes. To sum up, owning or purchasing a property involves certain obligations, and one of those obligations is property tax. Knowing its various aspects and understanding the implications is an essential part of the homeownership journey. Thank you for your time, and we hope that you've learned a lot from our guide today. As our guide ends, let's recap the essential points made. Being knowledgeable about your property tax is critical to your success as a homeowner. By staying informed, prepared, and proactive, you can tackle property taxes head-on instead of allowing them to be a point of stress. Wondering why it is important to know about property taxes? Let's remember, a firm understanding helps in making an informed decision while purchasing homes either for personal needs or for investment purposes. It also includes managing a sustainable budget, planning for future expenses and taxes, and maintaining financial health. In a nutshell, as we finish our guide, we must emphasize the importance of staying informed on property tax-related matters. It's a critical responsibility of homeowners, and staying on top of it can lead to better financial planning and significant cost savings. Thank you for choosing to learn with us. As we aim to simplify a topic as vast and complex as property taxes, our intention was to inform and empower you with the necessary knowledge to better manage your property tax obligations. Once again, thank you for embarking on this information journey with us. In swift summation, understanding property tax is a critical component of being a homeowner. It's not about the simplicity of the task, rather, the underlying need remains simple: to be aware and prepared at all times. With that, we sign off today, assuring our support and clearing your concerns on any matter related to property tax. Let's wind down this long yet rewarding informational journey, but remember, our commitment doesn't end here. We're constantly working on providing valuable and informative content to keep you updated and informed about critical topics such as property taxes. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.